Today I trigger people in a part of the world that I will probably never meet. Stay tuned. Hey kids, JD here. Today we're making a sauce, curry sauce, called Dopiaza. It literally means a 2-onion sauce. So I'm going to take the recipe, try it out, show you the steps I took, and then I'll try it in front of you so you can see how it turned out. Make sure you stay till the end of the video for that. So before we get started, go ahead, hit that subscribe button wherever it is. Let's do it. In a 2-liter pressure cooker, you'll need to layer the ingredients in this order. First of all, 1 tablespoon of water, 1/4 cup of butter. I actually warmed the pressure cooker up a little bit to make sure that it's spread all over the bottom. That way the onions didn't cook unevenly. You'll need 200 grams of 2 different types of onions. I use sweet onions and shallots. You can use whatever you like, or whatever you have handy in your country. On top of that, you will put 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of freshly minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of freshly minced ginger, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Optionally, you can use green chilies if you want to. Probably don't want to use many more than 5. Finally, add to the top, add 4 mint leaves. Cook it for high in 5 minutes and then blend it together. Let's see how it turned out. Okay, well, hopefully you can see this. This is the result. I might have undercooked it a little bit, we'll find out, but this is Dopiaza, double onion sauce. That's good. I used sweet onions in this, so that kind of brings out the sweet cinnamon aspect of the garam masala, but if you use different onions, you'll get different results. Shallots are nice, they temper it. Yeah, I mean, all of it comes through in little bits. Obviously, when you get a little piece of garlic, you get that a little more. You get a little bit more of ginger when you get a piece of that. Could this have used chili? I don't think it needs it. I think it's good just like it is. Although you could probably add 1 for a little bit of pungency if that's what you like. Yeah, I do think it probably should be a little browner, but the onions were starting to stick to the bottom of the pan. So that's probably good right there, because any more, then it would have either tasted overcooked from that or burned. So we probably got it right about the same place. This is pressure cooker cooking, and it's not an exact science. It's complex, a lot of little flavors in here. Good stuff. And now the part you've all been waiting for. Famous chefs like Gordon Ramsay are known for fusion foods, where they take influences from one culture and maybe a few cultures and mix them together. Well, today I choose to stand in his steps as we take some Dopiaza and chicken nuggets. This is for all 5 of you that are going to watch this video. Salud. That is spectacular. And just like that, I triggered all of India. Don't let anybody ever tell you that I have lowbrow tastes. Okay, that's it for this video. Feel free to leave a like, leave a comment below. If you don't like, go ahead and hit the like button away. Show what a great human being you are. There'll be a link to subscribe, a link for a playlist full of videos just like this, and a link for my most recent video. Once again, I'm JD Tremaine. Thanks for watching. See you soon.